With the v10 release, Volt Iris has received major UI updates to both the developer interface as well as the default look and feel of the widgets and templates used in application design. We have redesigned the Volt Iris IDE with better grouping, segmentation, and feature exposure for enhanced usability. Care has been taken for all the new designs to incorporate best practices regarding color selection and contrast, spacing, sizing, icons, and many others to cater to diverse user accessibility concerns while also addressing the need to have a modern, aesthetically appealing interface. The UI updates stand out as soon as the developer launches the design view, which they are likely to spend a majority of their time on. The Project Explorer has switched to stacks instead of tabs, both for simple and micro apps. The widget library is now a tiled view. Canvas control views, console UI, and properties panel are significantly more intuitive. The interface is available in both light and dark themes. Previously, dark theme was limited to the main interface and did not affect pop-ups. That is no longer the case. In addition to theme updates, over 100 pop-ups have been redesigned, sometimes with enhanced visualization in mind, and at other times, intuitive controls being the objective. Certain features like split screen that were buried behind nested options have now been given better exposure for ease of access. Both UI and functional changes have been made to the action editor and associated screens. Now it is possible to view which action sequences have errors from the Action tab itself. It is also possible to obtain node-specific listing of issues while designing action sequences. UI updates have not only been made to the IDE interface, but the default theme of the widget library as well. With the same considerations as outlined before, all out-of-the-box widgets have been given a facelift with the aim to be able to design visually appealing applications without requiring custom styles for any of the default widgets. For new projects, the updated styles for widgets is listed as the default theme. For legacy project, the previous default would be listed as the classic theme. In addition to the new default themes for the widgets themselves, templates for forms auto-generated from service definitions have also been made to conform to the updated styling guidelines. An option to list template variations and further options for importing custom templates is planned for the future.